and welcome back to my channel. Today is a video for everybody that's like me that are like sneakerheads, or some people call them hype beasts, but I do love a good pair of shoes, whether they be sneakers or pumps. So I'm going to unbox two pair of Yeezys for you guys. One of them is like a true unboxing and the other one I opened already, but I'm just show y'all that one. I got these sneakers off of StockX as well as Yeezy Supply. I know if y'all seen my previous video, which I'll link in the description bar, about how I got scammed by Yeezy. It's surprising that I buy sneakers from there, huh y'all? I know. But anyway, just stick tight, get you some snacks because I be hungry, and we're gonna get into the video. If you're a sneakerhead or a hype beast like me, go ahead and like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel and you like videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. You know, in the comment section, tag your friends that like videos like this or whatever, and we're gonna start. So the first pair of shoes I'm gonna talk about, these I got for my birthday. So I'm going to, I might not, I'm going to add a clip of the shoes I ordered for my birthday. The shoes I ordered for my birthday were the 350s and Earth, because they came out like the 22nd around my birthday, and I just ordered them from Yeezy Supply because I was like, it's my birthday, I don't got no 350s, I want some 350s, so I'm just gonna order these. When I got them and I found out I can order the tail lights, because the tail lights came out in Europe on the 22nd, and then the Earth came out in the US on the 22nd, so I got the Earth. But I really wanted the tail lights, so what I did is I bought them, and then I just like found the tail lights on StockX. This is how they came packaged in this little box. I haven't taken them out because I haven't ordered. We in quarantine, but the package came from StockX, and I just sold my Earths for basically the price that these tail lights were. Got a little sticker, got a little thank you card or whatever with the Supreme on the back, and then I got my order receipt. These took a minute for shipping. I can look at my phone and see when I ordered it and then see like when it actually was shipped to me. But basically, this is the box. They 350. I told you guys I got the tail lights. Sheesh. This is the shoe. They got the little Adidas tag or whatever. I wanted these just because, I don't know, I like neon and I be doing nails, so like my nails be neon, so I feel like this is just, it'll go with my spring summer nails. That's funny. But you got the little StockX verification tag on the shoe or whatever. But I think these are cute. I feel like they're low-key like practical. I'll show y'all like I feel like they're low-key practical. I feel like I can wear them with a lot. Like, I feel like it's a lot that I can wear these shoes with. I don't know, and it's crazy because I have so many pairs of like Yeezys, from like pumps to like boots, and I don't have any 350s, and I don't understand like how or why I don't have any 350s. So adding these to my collection of Yeezys. There's some 350s. But yeah, if y'all like the tail lights, comment below. If you don't like the tail lights, comment below and tell me why you don't like them, because I want to know like both sides. I just think this little part is slick, and then I like the color because I feel like the color can go with anything. Just for my wardrobe, like they go anything. It was like 2.5 weeks it took for me to get my shoes. I ordered these off of YeezySupply.com, which is like, you know, Kanye West's site. I ordered these on like a Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and they got here in 6 days. They got here on a Thursday. So these were not DHL. The other shoes were delivered by DHL. These were delivered by UPS. But they come and they have like this pamper tape. These shoes, I never had a pair of these neither. So these are the 500s. I ordered them What are they called? How do I even? The Tyrian? I don't know, bro. That's not cool. So these are the ones. So y'all can see like what shoes they are good. But these are my first pair of 500. I ain't never had no 500 because I ain't never seen none that I personally like. But I just love this blue. So these are it. They're so like, I like them a lot. I feel like they're like, I don't want to say they're male, but they're like, I don't know, like guy shoes kind of, and I like them. But yeah, this is it. So I'm gonna try and give y'all a close-up. My battery died. Of the shoes. This is like the front of the shoes. This side. And I got these two off of Yeezy Supply. There's honestly, I got 2 pair of shoes off Yeezy Supply, and I don't feel like there's like a trick to when you're ordering off of there. I feel like you just gotta go on the website and order, because I know people be saying like it's bots and all kind of other stuff, but it's like it wasn't no bots, and I don't got no bots. So, and I guess these are, oh, I'm like, what is this? Shoestrings. So they come with shoestrings also, if you don't want to do like a little zip tie, I guess. These are cute. As far as price for both of them, these I got them at retail for like $220. So basically, essentially, I got the tail lights for retail because I ordered the earths for retail for $220. Then the price of these tail lights, so the tail lights was like $350. So I sold my earths for $350, and I just spent the $350 on the tail lights, if that makes sense. So the tail lights were retail per se, but they were $350. And then these, oh, they're so cute. These were also retail at $220. But these are my first pair of 500s. If you like 500s, like comment below your favorite pair of 500s. I think these are really bomb. Like I really like these. Like these are bomb. Like I don't know. Anyway, if you like this video and you want me to make more videos, I definitely can. Just comment below. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the thumbs up or subscribe to my channel if you do want to see more Yeezy posts, because I do have like more Yeezy posts. I can do like a Yeezy collection, do a video with all of my shoes. If y'all want to see that, where I do a video with all my Yeezys, comment below and we can make that happen. Anyways, you guys, thank you for taking the time out to watch this video with me. Again, like, comment, subscribe, and have an amazing day, you guys. All right, bye.